Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Handmade by April. I'm April.
I'm not April.
This video we're going to be doing another Amazon unboxing. It's another big box, unsealed or sealed. I'm about to open it. Right.
Sneak peek. First out of the way.
Yep. Okay. Are these exercise rollers? Like
Stretcher
Yeah.
rollers with little
That's what I meant.
spines for.
I like this color.
I like how firm it is. It'd be good for like hamstring stretches. Maybe get some lower back action.
Face masks.
Yeah. Box of face masks. Fluid resistant 3-layer filtration. PM 2.5 prevention. That means if you cough, something will happen.
Foot solutions. I think this is like you put this on a tool and it's like sandpaper and it like rubs down your bunions or whatever you call them on the dry skin.
Pet squeaky toy.
What? Is it? Oh, I wanted to get Prince one of those. Do you think it'll stick to the floors? These are suction cups and
I
then they
see.
pull it
I don't know.
elastic. And it looks like more elastic and more elastic.
It jingles, it doesn't squeak.
Oh,
The jingling will probably.
in our other box we got jump ropes. And we got a jump rope in this one.
That's called skipping rope.
A skipping rope. What is this?
Super Awesome 106.
What is Super Awesome 106? Open it up.
This is probably like a cologne or something.
It don't feel like a cologne.
I don't know. It's better be the 106 Super Awesome. Glasses. What? So microfiber towelette for cleaning the glasses. And then the glasses themselves, you can pull them out of the baggie.
I got a left side of an Apple Watch band. It's pretty cool. Like multicolored. Just the left side though.
Their prescription +1.
Maybe it's just the left side? No, it's the right and left side. Okay, I didn't see both of them. So, Apple Watch band.
That's not my prescription. I'm gonna hurt myself. But came with nice little metal frame glasses. Well, the arms are metal. The frame itself is plastic. Interesting little combination. Rose gold arms, pink and like greenish frame.
I got some sunglasses. Fall Supply Company. I don't know. It's just the case. Here's the case. It says sunglasses and eye case. So they probably like took the sunglasses out of here and just put you in the eye case.
People are dirty, man.
What are these?
Or
Oh,
maybe they actually didn't receive the glasses.
maybe.
We'll have faith in humanity. They didn't receive the glasses, so they returned the case.
Some Apple converters.
Oh, cool. From the Lightning to aux.
I don't know.
Yeah.
some little candy canes. Are they all the
Supplements.
same? Are they all the same?
How do they look like it? Yeah, immune support, immune support, immune support.
Somebody-
Supplements.
Stop!
Ah. Elderberry immune support.
Toothbrush? I don't know if I want to open. Oh, facial cleansing brush. Okay, it's safe. We got
Wow.
this facial cleansing brush. There's 2 of them, I think.
People were actually out here. It says right on the front of these, immune health, fights infections, cold and flu ease. People were probably like, oh my god, I don't want to get the COVID.
Who orders just one wire
Velcro strap?
organizer Velcro thing? Who orders just one?
Someone who needs only one. Like,
Similar mask, elastic.
I'm gonna just drop these in the box. Oh, it's awesome.
Alright, you see what this is.
Table management game needs to be on point, ladies and gentlemen. Please.
Got a picture frame here.
The perfect pint. For when you need that perfect pint.
What does it say?
Game day, y'all. They all say game day, y'all. So when you're sitting at home
Oh,
and
there's
that
2.
little can ain't gonna do it for you, that bottle you just cracked, you're afraid that you might throw it back and knock one of your teeth out, they got you. You just pour it in here, got that perfect pint. On game day, y'all.
2 picture frames. I don't know what they look like. I don't know if I want to open this. Should I open it? Should I open it? There's 2 frames. They're facing each other. Do you think it's just black?
Yeah, it's just black picture frames. They look pretty good though. Pretty nice quality picture frames. They're sturdy. Game day, y'all.
What are you doing?
Oh, that's
I'm
what
holding the box open for you
I
to put
wasn't
in.
understanding. I was just like, what? She's like holding her neck box. I thought you wanted me to pull something out. Is that it?
Alright, no, we got another thing of masks, whatever that thing is, and whatever that thing is.
Are these cookie cutters? No, they can't be
I
cookie
don't know.
cutters. DLS2. They're new. So it says they're new.
Well, we got a corgi. Oh, they're all corgis. We got a corgi face. I'm gonna open it to show you.
Can you pass me the
It's
skimmers?
super taped. Okay. This might be cookie cutters
A mini bike pump.
or air pump. Does it have to be a bike?
It says bike pump on the
Okay,
box.
okay.
It is limited to a bike. And I gotta go get a bike.
It's a cute little
Can't pump up my football with it.
from a
It's only
head.
for a bike.
And then there's this one. And then there's a butt. Little corgi butt. I think they're cookie cutters.
That new
You
pump
couldn't
smells.
get
It
him barking.
Oh, it's
Okay, I don't like that.
it smells like cherry.
And that's everything?
I'm sitting here losing brain cells in the YouTube video.
Okay, so that's everything. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.